Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pritesh Kale. I am from Akola, but currently staying in Pune. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering Electronics and Telecommunication, Amravati University, 22-23 pass out, and I had completed my Technical Diploma as a Government Polytechnic Amravati, 2020. I had this very positive experience with the Evision, successfully completing my networking course. I am grateful to say that I got placed in WNS at Pune, a salary package 2.5. Thank for Evision and all the team, based of the HR, Nidhi ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Sati ma'am. As all team members, networking concept become both employee and effective the learning on the platform. This Evision company is the best of the way the learning and the get to the any MNC company job. That is because my way. I have last 1 year is not doing any job, so I'm joined this division company, and after 3 months, I get in a 1 to 3 offer letter as a vision company. So that's I'm very grateful. Thank for all the team member. Best first of the Nidhi ma'am, the second is a Priya ma'am, and Sati ma'am is a very grateful thank for, and best. So I suggest that all everyone guys please join the eVision company and once again join eVision and join job. Uh, Thank you for